how much I earned in the year 2025. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. You already know it's a girl, Rose. How you doing? I'm making this video for two reasons. Firstly is to encourage somebody out there. I've had a couple of people reach out to me. They've been having lots of low views, really low as low as maybe 16 views. Like their views just literally dropped, as if maybe they've been shadow banned or something. And this just, I'm making this video to act as encouragement, because there's no phase of this I haven't been through as well. I understand what you're going through, because I would say I'm even still currently going through that. I used to have like tons of views per short, but now I'm grateful if I see 1,000 views, on my shorts. This is just to encourage someone who might be passing through this very hard stage, that just hang in there. I would say the system is kind of designed to make you frustrated and quit, but never say never, okay? Keep showing up, keep giving it your best, keep giving it your all, because it's from putting one foot in front of the other that you get to figure out a lot. Sorry about that, I just realized that my mic was not connected. Okay, so it's from putting one foot in front of the other that you're able to keep moving. And like we know, the journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step, so you just have to keep going. The system might be designed in such a way that it might be if you're not resilient, you could give up, fall along the wayside and all that, but that will never be our portion. So the second reason I'm making this video is for the sake of posterity. Okay, I want to remember there was a time when I was bragging about this amount that I made on YouTube. That's the year 2025, and now look where I am. Okay, I was going through my community posts, and I was surprised to see the day I was thanking people for, I think, 3,000 subscribers or so. And I'm like, look at life. Today, just yesterday, we completed 70,000 subscribers. Like, I'm so grateful to every single one of you out there who are subscribed to this channel, who keep watching my videos, liking, sharing, commenting. I do not take your love for granted. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into how much I earned in the year 2025. This includes video from my videos, the short ads, membership, super chats, and brand deals, if at all any. Now let's go. I'll be sharing my screen with you just so you can see what I'm saying. So I'll be opening up my YouTube studio, and let's go here, analytics, and we have the revenue. So let's check our watch page ads. Let's get to our watch page ads. So for the year, let's click on it, and then we'll check 365 days. So from our watch page, I earned $112. Like, oh my goodness, I'm laughing, but it's not even funny. So from watch page ads, I earned $112.14, and watch page ads was $101, and YouTube premium was $0.41. Now let's go to our short feeds. So we go to 365 days. From our YouTube shorts, I earned $2,568.11, and out of that, short feed ads was $2,500 to $26.12, and short feed ads was $2,500, $26.12, and YouTube premium was $41.99. Now let's go to our membership. Estimated revenue in 365 days, $21. Okay, so membership itself was $17. and gifted membership was $3.49. And then let's now check our supers. So from our super things, we have 365. Ooh, okay, we made $41.83. I'm so grateful to every single person out there who has super chatted me, giving me a super thanks. Like, God bless you so much. There's a particular lady, I don't know if she would want to be mentioned. She's in these first two videos you guys can see on the video, a real day in my life with a newborn, and a day as a mom of 3. One of them is $17 that was super chatted, the other one is $19. Like, I'm so grateful. She's the one who super chatted me in these two. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Like, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. So that's for super chat. And then, okay, so let's see how much I earned for all. That's all of them for the year put together. So all of them for the 365 days I made, that's in the year 2025, I made $2,743. So that's what's up. You can see how the charts was going up and down. Now I don't know if I'll be able to see. Okay, let's check out. No, I wanted to check out the year 2024, the previous year. Let me see lifetime. Okay, 2000, that means just about $200 from the previous year. So this just goes out to encourage someone who is struggling. This is just our starting point, and I'm so grateful because I've shared my story here before. If somebody had told me in the beginning of the year 2025 that I was going to make anything $100 a month, I would have laughed so hard at that person that I would have choked on my own spit. Because like you can see from the lifetime, what I had earned in previous years, I got monetized in the year 2023. Yeah, 2023. I started YouTube 2023. I got monetized 2023, and it took me 1 full year to make my first $100. Then it took me another year to make another $100. So I completed my last $100, I think sometime in April last year or February. I can't remember, but thereabouts. And it took 1 full year to complete that, or 11 months. And after that was completed, that was when I started looking for, what can I do differently? And I started creating the kind of shorts that I create now. So, like I said, I always encourage people, please don't give up on your long form. Yes, long form pays more, arguably, but yes, long form pays more. And don't give up on your long form. Don't give up on your live streaming. Just any single way. YouTube, like I said, I've created so many avenues for you to earn. So just make sure that you're utilizing all these avenues to maximize, what you're making. Okay, so I was saying something, but I digress. Now, back to brand deals. I didn't earn anything from brand deals. I got plenty of deals. I'm going to talk about this in another separate video. I got plenty of deals, but majority of them were fake. In short, my phone literally almost got hacked from one. I'm going to share that in another video. Then I got genuine ones as well. One of them was not paid. It was supposed to be, I was supposed to earn affiliate money from affiliate marketing, but I was not going to get any money, upfront. So so I didn't earn anything from brand deals. This year 2026, fingers crossed, hopefully by the time we do another review for the year 2026, I will have so much more to share with you guys. I'm so grateful for this, my little beginning. I am super grateful for my little beginnings, and I encourage everyone struggling with one thing or the other, don't worry, don't give up, keep pushing. I have the days I wake up and I have no views or 0 views, or the video does not go past 200 views. I dust myself up. Like, I don't even bother. There are some times where I actually delete my YouTube studio just to make sure that I keep myself grounded, because if you keep checking and obsessing over your analytics, it will hinder you from doing what you have to do. Okay, I get it that you have to analyze and know where you can do better, but sometimes, too much of everything is bad. When you keep doing that over and over, it could actually be a stumbling block and a hindrance from you doing exactly what you're supposed to do. All right, so thank you for watching this video. I hope it was impactful to one person or the other, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.